This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever underneath the steering wheel. Slide the safety latch and raise the hood, then support it with the rod. The PCV valve is mounted at the rear of the valve cover, near the brake booster. To check the valve with the engine off, disconnect the vacuum hoses blocking access to the PCV valve. Disconnect the hose from the PCV valve and then pull it straight out of the grommet. Shake the valve, it should rattle, indicating that it is not clogged with deposits. If the valve does not rattle, replace it with a new one. If it does rattle, reinstall it. Also check the rubber grommet for cracks and distortion. If it's damaged, replace it. Install the PCV valve to the valve cover and connect the hose. Reconnect any hoses that may have been disconnected to gain access to the PCV valve. Start the engine and allow it to idle. Then disconnect the PCV valve from the valve cover with the hose still connected at the other end. Put your finger over the PCV valve and check for vacuum. If vacuum is felt, the PCV valve system is working properly. If the valve is clogged and no vacuum is felt, the hose is also probably plugged. Turn off the engine. Remove the hose and clean it with solvent. After cleaning the hose, inspect it for damage, wear, and deterioration. Install the clean PCV valve system hose. Make sure that the PCV valve and hose are secure. If necessary, install the new PCV valve to the valve cover.